Hi, my name is Arlette Morgan. My major is in community health. This is my actual last semester at Hostos. I will be graduating in January 2022, and my internship site was Claremont Village Assistant Living Program, and my role there was a supervisor assistant. The career service had helped me a lot during my time when I was doing my internship. Basically, being that I already had a resume, they were able to help me revise it by adding the necessary information that I needed, such as my GPA and the classes that I had already taken. And I was able to also attend some workshops, which is effective resume writing. I was also able to do a mock interview, and I was also able to do a workshop on Know Your Rights. My first impression of my internship site was how professional and business-like they were. And what I liked most about my internship was that I was able to get up and get dressed and go to work every morning. If I was in charge at my internship site, the one thing that I would change would be more staffing. Reason being that at my internship site, we had a limited amount of staff, and it was like 70 residents. So I would definitely change the amount of staffing that we had. What I would keep the same would also be the staffing, because they were great. I enjoyed working with them. They were great team players. The projects that I worked on during my internship was, I had a number of them. I was able to make and I would able to schedule doctor's appointments, transportation appointments for my residents. I was also able to help them with filling out forms such as HMO forms for medical purposes. I was also able to help them with filling out forms with Access-a-Ride and also for MetroCard. And I also had one time I had the chance to help one of my residents with filling out a citizenship application. I have learned patience, and my favorite project was when I had to acquire an HMO card for one of my residents. I learned that, I have to have respect for each and every one of my residents, myself, and also learned that my internship site was how to carry myself as a professional who is representing for Hostos Community College. My internship, how is it going? It actually went well. I have already completed my internship. What I've learned about myself was that I can be whatever and whoever I put my mind to. During my internship, one of the main things that I learned was how good of a team player I am. I also, one of my weaknesses that I learned about myself was how hard it is for me to take care of everyone. That was one of my biggest weakness. And because there's not enough time in the day for me to help each and every person, and I would love to do that, but it's not possible. During my internship, I have learned that being a professional not only gain respect from your residents, but also my teammates as well. This haven't really changed the way how I work much, because I am a nursing assistant and I tend to go to work and be as professional as I can, which I go to work on time, dress appropriately, and I'll always have respect for all my teammates. In terms of the organization values, I have observed that they say what they're gonna do, which is provide post-acute care to the resident. And for example, they have a dialysis center in the same building. They also have a recreational center and a therapeutic area where they can do exercise, and they can also have fun in the recreation center as well. I had the privilege of being in the recreation center and participating with some of the residents. This experience has prepared me to be more professional. It has prepared me how to manage my time better, and it also helped me how to carry myself better in a professional setting. The three key takeaways that I got from working at my internship site was responsibility, patience, and respect, because having patience in this career in the health field is very important. This internship had been a great experience for me, and I would definitely recommend, taking the time out to do an internship, because it will help you to, not just for now, but for the future. If the career service team, they are great. They will help you with with your resume if you don't have a resume, and there's the workshops again that you can attend, and it's a great experience to be professional, and you'll like it.